Most students lose easy marks on paper 2, not because they don't know math, but because they make small calculator mistakes. This is a fast walkthrough, so if something is not clear, please ask in the comments and I promise I will explain it there. Let's fix the exact questions that costs marks. Question 1. 17% means 17 out of 100. So this is 17 over 100. 1 mark. Question 2. 140 minutes. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 140 divided by 60, 2 hours. Remainder 20. Answer, 2 hours, 20 minutes. Question 3. Order decimals. Smallest first. 0.05, 0.5, 0.507, 0.57. Done. Question 4. Just count the sides. 6 sides, hexagon. Question 5. Halfway between -2 and 8. Add and divide by 2. -2 plus 8 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Question 6. Bracelets. Check both limits. 52 divided by 5 is 10.4. 80 divided by 7 is approximately 11. Always take the smaller number. Answer is 10. Question 7. Main range probability. Total is 96. Main, 96 divided by 8 is 12. Range, biggest, take away smallest. 15 minus 9 is 6. Probability of 15 is 2 out of 8. Simplify, 1/4. Question 8. 10 squared is 120. So that is wrong. Even divided by even is not always even. Examples. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 26 divided by 2 would be 13. Question 9. 90 to 150. Divide both sides by 30. 3 to 5. Question 10. Perimeter is 40, so one side is 10. Count out edges only. 12 edges times 10 is 120 centimeters. Stop here. If you're losing marks at this point, it's not math, it's rushing. Question 11. 2x times 3y is 6xy. Collect like terms. 3d plus 2d is 5d. Minus 4e plus e will be minus 3e. Question 12. 60% of 180 is 108. Adult tickets, 72. 108 times 8 is 864. 1944 take away 864. The answer is 1080. Divided by 72, the final answer is 15. Lots of marks. Question 13. Angles around the point add to 360. 360 take away 310 is 50. Angles on a straight line add to 180. 180 take away 115 is 65. Angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. So 180 take away 50 degrees and 65 degrees is 65 degrees. 65 and 65 means two equal angles. Isosceles triangle. Please don't forget to write down in your exam paper all reasonings in full sentences. Otherwise, you will lose your exam marks. Question 14. Read the graph carefully. Distance from friend's house to the skate park is 2 kilometers. Then complete the graph with a steady return over 1 hour and 30 minutes. Question 15. Scale 1 to 25,000. 14 centimeters means times 14. do the same with 25,000. So it is 350,000. Convert to meters, divide by 100, 3,500 meters. Convert to kilometers, divide by 1,000, 3.5 kilometers. Question 16. Box A, 10 out of 40, which is 0.25. Box B, 7 out of 25, which is, use your calculator, divide 7 by 25, 0.28. So, box B is greater. Question 17. 7% less means 93%. So, 0.93 times 285, use your calculator, is 265.05. Second part, 2,100 take away 1,700 is 400. 5% is 400, so 100% is 400 times 20, or use different way, 400 divided by 5 times 100 is 8,000. Question 18. This is an enlargement. Scale factor 2 and center is at the origin, coordinates 0, 0. Question 19. Factorize 15w squared, take away 5w, work out the highest common factor. It is 5w, brackets, 3w, take away 1, brackets. Be careful, not 0, 1. Have a look at link above on this topic because it's very common mistake. Second part, inequality. Number line, open circle at -2 and closed circle colored at 4. It means 4 is included. Question 20. Use the calculator carefully and write all digits shown. Do not round. If you have different calculator have different amount of digits, so the answers, look at the screenshot, might be slightly different. Question 21. Goes up, it means positive correlation. Then draw a line of best fit. Estimate from the line, it's about 28 meters. Question 22. Compare value per gram. London, £3.50 for 200 grams is 175 per 100 grams. Right. Zurich, convert currency first, then compare. Zurich is better value. Question 23. 17 must go in the intersection where two circles overlap each other. Elements outside the circles must be also shown. Question 24. Substitute values into the table. Use your calculator. Then plot very accurately and draw a smooth curve. Don't use ruler for this task. Question 25. Percentage increase formula. First class, 11.84%. Second class, 1.54%. And then 11.84 divided by 1.54, obviously use your calculator. It is 7.69 to 2 decimal places. So yes, it's more than 7 times. Question 26. So you know all the sides. Add them together and perimeter will be 72. Simplify 8x plus 12 equals 72. Solve this equation. X equals 7.5. Right. Find height. Don't forget Pythagoras. So, and area of triangle is half times base times height, which is 240 centimeters squared. Question 27. Divide powers carefully. K equals 3.125 times 10 to the power of 7. Question 28. Volume of cylinder is pi times radius squared times height, which is 90 pi. Density is mass divided by volume. So, 2250 divided by 90 pi, don't forget 90 pi in brackets in your calculator, it's about 7.96 gram per centimeter cubed. If you got through this, you're not bad at math. You just needed clear steps. If it was too quick for you, don't forget the full workings are in this video. Just stop every question and go through the workings you should show in your exam paper. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.